Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out holiday packages on the Air Arabia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the holiday package button down below. Then you should wait till it's loaded. Here you can find the packages. You can select your departure point and then your destination. You can select your departure date and the return date. Click on the search button and then you are going to find the holiday packages or the relevant offers. Here you can find them. So if you are interested in any of these, just tap on the relevant one, and you can also use filters at the top. So you can search by property, near location, you can set the price range on this slide. Also the inclusions can be added, such as flight plus hotel, transfers, package with activities. You can also set the cities, the ratings, meal plans and the property types too, and then you can narrow down your search according to these features. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.